What is up, everyone? Kitfisto here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Star Wars Battlefront 1 on the Mac, and how to play online. So this is a better version of my last video, and it shows you how to play online, whereas when I made the other one, this option was not yet available. Alright, so this is the PC version. You're going to need to download this port right here. I'll have all the links I give, they'll be in the description. So download this right here. Don't worry, I host it so there's no like viruses or anything. And then you're going to also need to download Xcorts and Wine. I've already downloaded and installed them, but this is what it'll look like after you download. I'll have links for these two separate things. And so I installed these two things. These two. And I already did, so I'm just going to delete them. And you're also going to need to download this right here on Star Wars Battlefront Gamers. This is how you play online. So what you're going to do, you need to register, but they don't spam you or anything. I've been a long-time member here, so yeah. So you're also going to want to click this, and it'll just start downloading. I'll have a link for this, but you'll need to register first. But it's only a one-time email, and they don't spam or anything. Alright, so now, in the downloads, you're going to open this up. And you can delete the installer and just drag this to the desktop right now. And we'll just leave that in downloads for now. Okay, so now I'm going to put my Battlefront 1 PC DVD disc in. And you're going to use Wine to run this, and Wine uses Xcorts, so that's why you need both. And I'm running the latest version of Mac OS 10.9, 10.9.3 as of this video, and it all runs great, so yeah, you'll see that when you get it working. So I have the disk right here, so I'm just going to double click on that, and we're going to find the setup.exe. Now you're going to double click that, and you see Wine is opening up. So we're just going to let that start up. It takes a little while, but it should work. And this way I'm showing it also works for older versions of Mac. Okay, not sure what that is. There we go. Let's try again. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now you should get a window like this. I don't know what the heck that hiccup was, but you're going to say next right here. And I'm going to enter my CD key. Okay, so I enter my CD key, then this should pop up. You say, I accept, next. And we're just going to choose automatic. No, we don't want GameSpy. Now we say yes to install. And here it is right here. So we're just going to let this go. Got my awesome Clone Wars wallpapers. Anyway, yeah, so I'll come back when this is finished. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install mod maps. Just an example. You don't have to do it if you're just content with the regular game, but if you want mod maps, that Star Wars Battlefront Gamers website has all the best ones and some of the worst. So if you want to, at the end of the video, I'll show you how, if you want to install maps that add to the game. Best wallpaper ever. Okay, so it's almost done. There we go. Just doing the last little bit of it. And we don't, unless you want to read the README, there's really nothing on there. You don't want to start Battlefront. Finish. And voila. Now, see this here? We can just delete this. We don't need that. You can quit wine. And that thing. Now, we need to find where... actually, you don't want to quit wine yet. My bad. Hold on. Alright, so you have wine open. You're going to go to Start, right here. And you're going to go to My Documents. And it should... Whoops, not that. My computer, sorry. My computer, alright. And you're going to go to C, or Drive C, Program Files. And you're going to see LucasArts. Now you're just going to drag this to the desktop. And close that. Now, we are going to open up this LucasArts folder. Go to Star Wars Battlefront. We can delete everything in here except game data. So all this other stuff you don't need. All you need is game data. So you can throw that away. Now we're going to go inside game data, and this Battlefront.exe, we're going to replace that with what we downloaded, the Battlefront Game Master, new Game Master. So you're going to rename this to Battlefront.exe, and we are going to place it in here. We're going to replace it. Now, I'm going to show you how to add maps. So I'm going back to here. I'll have a link to this. This is my favorite maps of all time. The 2 Coruscant maps, custom maps that Ren's made. Now, these are like the best custom maps, and they're like necessary for this game if you haven't tried them before. So you're going to download them. I'll have a link to this. This is in Star Wars Battlefront Gamers downloads website. See downloads, they have maps, mods. This guy is amazing. The best mods of all time. Oh, it's a .rar. I don't think I have stuff at Expander on here. Nope. Okay, well, I have the maps on my... So you're going to expand that, and what you'll find is... I'm going to go to my version of Battlefront. Pay no mind to this. Okay, so you'll have these 2 maps. They won't say copy though. So yeah, they won't say copy, but it doesn't matter. So these maps will come out of what you downloaded. Sorry to be all confusing. I forgot I don't have stuff at Expander on here. And you're going to drag the map. So to make sure it's a map, you open it up and it should say data and add me script. Now you're going to drag these into add-on. And that is where your maps are. See how that's Jabba's Palace from the 1.2 patch. And this is Coruscant City and Coruscant Streets. Now, we have the game all installed, but we need to move it into our port right here. So we're going to right-click, Show Package Contents, go to Contents, Resources, Transgramming, C Drive, Program Files, and we're going to drag LucasArts in here. I'm pretty sure. Okay, my bad. Sorry, we don't. We drag Star Wars Battlefront here, so we don't need this LucasArts folder. So it should be Transgramming, C Drive, Program File, Star Wars Battlefront Game Data, and these contents with your new master server file. So we're going to close that all up now, and we are just going to open. Oh, now you can quit wine, and I'm going to quit Safari. So we're going to open up Star Wars Battlefront now, just to prove to you that it works. You say open. This is the version that I just installed and everything. And if you want to get into windowed mode, you do Command-Enter. If you have a big screen or something, or it doesn't run as well. And if you just want to move it right back, you go Command-Enter again. So I'm going to create a profile, yes, sure. And now I'll show you single player first. Everything here is Galactic Conquest, Campaign, Instant Action. You'll see our Coruscant maps down here. Coruscant City and Streets, along with Jabba's Palace. And if you go to multiplayer, you go to Internet, no, join, and you will see all the servers. and you'll see that there's actually people in this one, which is the one I love to play in. Yeah, and so that works great. You can thank Star Wars Battlefront gamers for giving us online again. And if you want to play with people like in your house, you have the game on 2 places. You just go to LAN and then create, and then you can play within your own house, if you didn't know what that was. Okay, so that's about it. I guess I could show you that it actually works. Just do my favorite map. And the only problems I seem to have with this is that occasionally it just like stalls for, it's like about a second or two, but it doesn't like go on without you unless you're playing online. But you might see it. It'll just like slow down to a stop, and then it'll just it'll start right back up again. So yeah, as you can see, everything is working fine. Sound and all that jazz, and you can change all the settings. I don't really have it at high resolution or anything. So yeah, if you liked the video, consider leaving a like and share it if you have other Mac players who want to play this game. I have a tutorial on how to play Star Wars Battlefront 2 on the Mac. It might be a little outdated, but it still works. How to play Republic Commando, and on the Mac. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to get to it. I'm not really as active as I used to, but I promised I'd make a video showing you how to play online again, so I hope this is better than my first one, and I will see you later.